Hey, Gretchen Yui here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through the official LifeWave IceWave instructions. And I'm going to show you the exact images from LifeWave that come with the product so you can follow along very easily. Before we get started, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone curious about LifeWave products. I would really appreciate that support. And if you're not already working with a LifeWave sponsor, please reach out to me. Email me and we'll schedule time to talk about your wellness situation, your goals, and how to start your patching journey. So let's begin by covering what IceWave actually is by using approved and compliant LifeWave wording. So IceWave helps you release negative energy and reclaim your active lifestyle. It supports you in feeling more balanced and aligned with your holistic well-being. So it's fast acting, non-addictive, convenient, easy to use, no drugs, no chemicals, and no stimulants. Now, an important wellness reminder is that LifeWave patches do not treat, cure, heal, prevent any medical disease or medical condition. They are wellness products that work with your body's natural energy to support a general state of well-being. Now, how to apply the IceWave patches? That's probably why you're here. So let's get to it. Let me share my screen. Okay, so when you order your LifeWave patches, with them will come an illustrated brochure. And this is what the front of it looks like. And this is what it looks like inside. So you're going to use two patches, a white patch and a tan patch. And by the way, there are 30 patches in each sleeve, but you do have to use two patches simultaneously for the technology to work. So it's really a 15-day supply in one sleeve or pack of these. And inside you'll find a white patch. And on the other side of a little paper divider, you will find the tan patches. And the white patch is a positive charge and the tan patch is a negative charge. You need to apply these to clean, dry, undamaged skin. You can wear them for up to 12 hours. And LifeWave recommends staying well hydrated while using them. That is key. Be well hydrated when you use this technology. Now, I'd like to train you on what LifeWave calls the clock method. Now, some people call it the cross method. They are the exact same thing. And to keep it simple, I'm going to call it from here on out the clock method, and you'll understand why in a second. So, if you are feeling an area that's hurting or tense, you can explore this official method to find your best placement. So I'll show each figure on the screen as we go, and we're going to start with figure 1.0, where a tan patch first goes on the point that hurts. Then you're going to go over to figure 1.1, and you're going to place the white patch above it, or kind of above it, right? In other words, in the closest place you can get to the 12 o'clock position. Now, if you don't feel improved comfort or mobility after 10 seconds, yes, 10 seconds is work really fast, then you're going to move the white patch to the 3 o'clock position. So you can see that also in figure 1.2. And you'll move through each placement, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and so forth, or you may have to work a little bit in between the 12, the 3, the 6, the 9. If you feel a little change, you may want to go in between those areas, but you'll move through each placement until you find where it feels there's a shift in comfort or movement. Now, I encourage you to only peel off one side of the backing or half the backing until you know which placement you're going to leave it at. If the placement at any point as you're doing the clock method, if the hurting gets worse, that's actually a good thing because it means all you have to do is flip the colors in the placements that you have them. And that likely will move the energy in the direction that your body wants it to move so that your hurting or tension is then helped. Okay. Okay, so I want to mention that, by the way, if you're part of my Pulsar Patching team or you become a part of my Pulsar Patching team, that we host weekly product support calls on Zoom. And these calls are incredible for learning and getting confident with your patching routine. My team really likes and appreciates all that extra support, and I think you may too. So keep that in mind. Now, IceWave is simple, it's gentle, it's designed to support your general wellness and comfort. So just follow the clock method until you find the placements that feel the best to you. So don't forget, please like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you're not already working with a LifeWave sponsor, please reach out to me by email. We'll talk about your goals and which patches would be a good fit. And I'll help you even get your account set up with wholesale pricing, which is key in my opinion. So supporting my customers and team is truly my favorite part of this entire journey. So I just want to thank you for watching. I really hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.